Transforming your backyard into a beautiful garden is more than just adding plants. It's about creating a peaceful, welcoming space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Start by envisioning what you want your backyard to feel like. Do you want it to be a calm retreat, a fun space for gatherings, or a mix of both? Once you have a vision, you can start planning the layout, keeping functionality and beauty in mind. One of the most effective ways to shape your backyard is by dividing it into zones. Create a cozy seating area with a small patio or deck where you can enjoy your morning coffee or host evening tea with friends. Use pathways made of gravel, stepping stones, or bricks to guide people from one part of the garden to another. This not only adds structure, but also helps keep the space organized and easy to maintain. Plants are the heart of any garden, so choose a mix of textures, heights, and colors to make it lively all year round. Combine flowering plants with evergreens and ornamental grasses. Raised beds or layered flower borders can add depth to the space. If you're working with limited room, vertical gardening using trellises or wall planters can maximize space and add visual interest. Water features like small fountains, bird baths, or even a mini pond can elevate your backyard by introducing the calming sound of running water. These elements attract birds and butterflies too, bringing your garden to life. They don't have to be expensive. A simple dewey fountain can make a big impact while staying budget-friendly. Adding lighting is another game changer. Soft, warm garden lights placed along the paths or under plants can create a magical ambience in the evening. Solar, powered lights or string lights wrapped around trees or fences are low-maintenance options that bring charm without increasing your electricity bill. Don't forget to add personal touches to make the space feel truly yours. A handmade bench, colorful pots, or even a mural on the boundary wall can add character and style. If you have kids, you can include a small play corner with a sandbox or garden swing to make it fun for everyone in the family. Lastly, choose garden furniture that matches your theme and is weather resistant. Go for a balance of comfort and style. Wooden or wrought iron sets work well for a natural look, while rattan furniture adds a modern touch. In today's video, we're exploring backyard patio ideas that will turn your outdoor space into a peaceful escape or the perfect entertaining area. Whether you have a spacious yard or a cozy corner, these ideas will help you make the most of what you have, creating a beautiful and functional patio you'll love year-round. Start by thinking about the seating area. Comfortable seating is the heart of any patio. Consider outdoor sofas, cushioned chairs, or even a built-in bench along a wall or fence. Add a low coffee table or a rustic wooden table in the center to create a gathering spot for morning coffee, evening chats, or weekend barbecues. If your space is on the smaller side, try going for foldable or stackable furniture that's easy to move and store. A slim bistro table with 2 chairs can make a charming breakfast nook. You can also hang a hammock or a swinging egg chair to add some character without using much floor space. To add shade and a cozy vibe, try installing a pergola or hanging a fabric canopy overhead. It helps define your patio and offers some relief from the sun. For an added touch of charm, wrap some string lights or lanterns around the structure. The soft glow at night creates a dreamy atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Flooring plays a big role in the overall look and feel of your patio. Instead of leaving plain concrete, you can add wooden decking, stone slabs, or interlocking outdoor tiles. A patterned floor can completely change the mood, adding personality and even a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. Now let's bring in nature. Planters filled with flowers, herbs, or even small trees can instantly breathe life into your patio. Use raised garden beds or vertical planters if you're tight on space. Adding greenery not only improves the aesthetics, but also makes the area feel fresher and more relaxing. For those who love to entertain, consider adding an outdoor dining area. A wooden dining table with sturdy chairs, an umbrella for shade, and maybe even a mini bar cart can transform your patio into a dinner party paradise. You can keep it simple or go bold with colorful cushions and patterned tableware. Fire pits and outdoor heaters are perfect for extending your patio use into cooler evenings. Whether it's a sleek gas fire bowl or a rustic stone pit, the warmth and flickering flames bring a sense of comfort and connection. Pair it with some cozy throws and you'll never want to go back inside. Textures and layers make a patio feel complete. Add an outdoor rug, some lanterns, and cushions in a mix of fabrics and patterns to give your space a lived-in, stylish feel. Even small decorative touches like candles, sculptures, or a water feature can bring personality to your outdoor corner. Finally, always design your patio to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're after a quiet reading nook, a place to host summer dinners, or a play area for kids, tailor the space to your needs. With a little creativity and intention, your backyard patio can become your new favorite place to relax and reconnect. Enhancing the outdoor space with thoughtful garden decoration can significantly elevate the overall look and feel of a house. From vibrant flower beds to charming pathway lighting, every element contributes to creating a welcoming and visually captivating outdoor environment. Incorporating features such as cozy seating areas and decorative planters adds personality and charm to the landscape. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. That's right, good interior design isn't about how much money you spend, but how creatively you use what you have. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Thanks for watching.